Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about a Leetcode question number 424. Longest repeating character replacement. You are given a string S and an integer K. You can choose any character of a string and change it to any other uppercase English letter. You can perform this operation at most K times. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing the above operation. So what they are asking? They are asking us to find what is the longest substring, okay, which has uh, a maximum characters, okay, maximum same characters after performing operation for this n times and n time, sorry, after this k times, and k is also given in the question. Fine. Just see here, they also given that this only contains what uppercase English letter. Okay, so there is only 26 characters possible. Fine. Now AB. So from this, what is the longest substring I can generate such that it will be what a same characters. Okay. Before that, we want to know what is my substring, right? Okay. From this example, I can say this ACA is a substring, ACAB is a substring, ABB is a substring, or BBCBAA. This whole is a substring, and this whole string is also a substring. Okay. So substring is something like it is a subset of the main string, but it is should be contiguous and also in order. Okay, what is it implement? Sorry, implies. Okay, so if I take A B B, whether it is a substring? No, because it is not a continuous. The C is omitted, right? Okay, now if I take A B C B, this is a substring. No, we cannot take A B C B. We can take B C B A. Can you understand this? It is in order, but it is not in order, so it is not a substring. Fine. Okay. Now, hope you understand what is main substring. And empty string is also, of course, a substring of a main string. Okay. Now, from this, I can say if I replace this B and this B to A, then I can say whole string will become a substring of our requirement, right? What is our requirement? All should be what? Same characters. That's what our requirement, right? After doing a k operation. So this will leads to what? 4. If we take these two A's and change to B, okay, two B's, then also it satisfies the condition, because we can do up to what? K times. We can do up to what? K times. We cannot take 3 characters and change. We can take up to most 2 only. Okay. Now see this example here, A. Okay. Just observe this carefully. I can change this B to A such that I can get a consecutive 4 A's. So that should be my substring. Yes. Okay. Wait. Any other? Okay. Here BB. Here also, if I change this A to B, then it also my consecutive. So it will be my substring of length 4 that satisfy our condition, right? Okay. If I take this BBA as BBB by replacing A to B, then it is only 3, but we can get our best answer as 4. So for this example, I can get a maximum of 4 length subarray which satisfy our condition. Okay, fine. Now, how to solve this problem? So basic brute force approach for solving this problem is generate all possible string, okay, and check whether the all characters in that string can be replaced and it will be equal. Can you understand this? Okay, if I take this ACAB as a string, as a substring, then I want to check whether this A is the majority count, right? If I take this ACAB as a substring, for example only, okay, I want to check whether this what is the maximum count. This A is the maximum count, right? So I can just take whether I can change this as our all A's. Yes, I can replace this and change your A. So this is a basic brute force approach. I think so. It goes up to a time constant of n power 4 and space quantity of O of 1. If anyone try, you can comment in this. What is the brute force approach time constant? I am not sure whether it is n power 4 or not. Okay. Now, what is the optimal method to solve this problem? Okay, let me discuss about the optimal method. A C A B B C B A and K is equal to 2. So we can replace up to 2 characters. Okay, fine. Just observe this carefully. Whenever we are encountering a word called substring or subarray, first of all, our mind goes to what? Sliding window technique. Okay, apart from that, there is some more techniques like DT. You can also do like that. But a simplest form for doing in optimal way is sliding window in some cases. Okay, fine. Now, how to do this? Okay, before going to that, just observe. In brute force approach, I took this as a substring, right? In this, we have just found what is the maximum character. It is A. And we want to just think about whether I can replace other characters as A. Whether that satisfy our condition. So what are the other characters is C and B only. We don't want information about the C and B and all. We just want what is the maximum character, what are the remaining character in my substring. So what are the remaining character in my substring? It is only 2 characters. So whether K is 2, yes. So we can just alter it. Can you understand this? Okay. If take for example, if I take this as my substring for a second example, okay. Now what is my maximum characters? I can say this A is my maximum and also B is also maximum. Okay. We want to see whether it can form or not, right? Okay. If I just change everything as B, whether it is possible? No. B only has 2 count. That is only 2 B's. And what are the total characters? It is 5 substring characters. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So other characters will be 3 characters. So 3 is greater than K. So I cannot do. Okay. Now instead of taking this B, I will take this A. Also, now also it will be what? 3. We cannot change everything as A. So I cannot take this as our substring. So whenever I cannot take anything as a substring, we will jump to the next substring. While jumping in sliding window, what we do, we will shrink it. What am I shrinking? If I have like this, I will shrink and make like this. I will just eliminate this. That's a shrinking in sliding window, right? Okay, now we are going into the sliding window technique. Just observe this carefully. I am taking a R pointer and L pointer here, a lower and a rear pointer. Now, I want to keep track on the count, right? So I will take result as a 0. Okay, fine. Now, and also I want to make sure what are the count of each and every elements, right? For that counting purpose, I will take a dictionary data structure. Okay, now it is A. Okay, A and only 1. That means only 1. Okay, what is the length of this substring between this L and R? It is only R minus L plus 1. Use this formula as a window size formula, okay, which is equal to let me take indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 0 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So the total length is 1 and what is my count of the maximum element? The maximum element is A. A is the maximum element, current maximum element. It is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, which means there is no more characters in that substring that is different than A. So I can take the preferred answer. So what is my answer? Now the window size is 1 only, right? So update window size. That's the longest possible answer. Hats off now. Okay, now I will move here. Okay, R will be here and C will be added. Okay, fine. Now again, what's my window size? Window size will be what? 2. Next time I don't want to write this window size formula, just I write R2, this 2, 3 like that. Okay. Now minus what is my maximum character in this? I can either take this A or C. That's your wish. That That's your wish. But for now, I can take this C as our newcomer. Okay, C as our maximum element. Okay, now what is the count of the C? It is 1, which is equal to what? 1 only. 1 only. So I can say, apart from that C, apart from the maximum character, there is only one character to replace, but we have possibly two characters to replace. So I can take that window size our answer. Okay, now again expand. Now A, again now A becomes 2. Okay, now what is the maximum character? It is 2. And what is my window size? It is 3. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 is less than that A. So I can say what? This can be replaced. That one C can be replaced as A. Always remember, in problem solving, there is some tricks. Whatever they are asking in question, alone you want to find the output. Don't want to go beyond it. Okay, if they are asking the length alone, just find length alone. You don't want to go for a substring exact characters. See here we have a conflict, right? Whether we want to take C or A. I took C. That's it. There is no question for I want to take this character. They are asking a character. They are only asking what? Count. Okay. This is mainly not for the sliding window. There is sliding window. There's a little use of this trick in sliding window, but in greedy approach, this will be helpful. Okay. Let us go back to the problem solving. Now, just here one character to replace. Now, what is the total window size? It is 3. So 3 is a maximum. So we will update it. Okay. Now expand. Now B. Okay. Newcomer. Fine. Now what is the maximum character? It is 2 only. And what is the window size? It is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So I can say 2 is my replacement. For replacement, I want replacement. So that is 2. Okay. I want to take this as a result. So it will be 4. Can you understand this? It may be quick, but let's try to understand. Now I will make this R2 here. Now B becomes 2. Now I can take this B as a maximum. Hats off no. Okay. We don't want to take what is the maximum among this? It is 2. Just remember like that. Okay. Now what is the size? It is 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now comes a condition fail. This 2 is less than 3. So I cannot replace all characters. So what I want to do? Always shrink. Whenever you cannot satisfy condition, just shrink. While shrinking, this A becomes what? 2, 1. Okay. Now what is the maximum? Maximum is 2. Maximum is 2. Okay. 2. What is the total string length? Now substring length. It is window size is 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 can be replaced. So 4 is my as of now answer. So don't want to update it. Fine. Just go. Now C. So just add C here. Okay. Now what is the maximum count? It is 2. What is the size? It is 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 we cannot take this 3. So this is dissatisfied a condition. So I will shrink it and C count will become what? 1. Now it's satisfied a condition because the total length of the substring is 4. 4 minus what is the maximum? It is 2. So it is 2 and K is also 2. I understand this. Replacement is 2 and K is also 2. So we can take this our answer. But our window size is what? 4. Already the best case is 4 in my result. So don't worry. Just expand. Okay. Now B. Increase my B's count to 3. Okay. Now what is the maximum count? It is 3. What is the sliding window size? It is 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 can be replaced. So what is my best answer? It is 5. Make this 4 as 5. Because that's the best answer, right? Okay. Now again expand A. Now A's count will be what? 2. Now what's the total size? Total size is 6. 6 minus what is the maximum? It is 3. This is equal to 3. So this satisfies the condition. So what we will do? We will shrink it. Okay, shrink it. Now A will becomes what? 1 again because I am excluded this A. Now again what is my size? It is 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to what? 2. 2 satisfies the condition, but 5 is already updated in my result. So don't want to worry. Fine. Now just expand. Now here A. Again A becomes 2. Now again what is the count? It is totally of size 6 minus what is the maximum? It is 3 is equal to 3. So 3 cannot be replaced. So just string, while stringing, I will come here and b will be stringing to something like 2, right? 2. Now again, uh, will be a string. Then now what is the maximum? It is 2 only. Now what is the size? It is 5. 5 minus 2. Again string it, because replacement character will be 3, right? So again string it. Okay, now it is again b is excluded, so it becomes 1. Now what is the maximum character? It is 2. And what is the maximum length of what is the length of substring? It is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and 2 can be replaced because it is less than or equal to target, and less than or equal to k. Now this 4 is the answer, but already we have 5. 5 is the maximum, so we don't want to update it and make the move of this r, and this r goes to the end point. That's it. What is my answer? It is 5. Okay, hope you understand this. Fine. Now what is the time complexity and space complexity? I can say time complexity will be O of n into log n. Because of traversal, it is n. Because of using of hash map, it is log n. And what is my space complexity? It is O of n because of the hash map. And I want you to try using the frequency array. Just go to my basic playlist and find that video, or I will give the link in the description. Just go and watch it and try to implement using that, because we can cancel this log n by using that method. Okay, fine. Now let us see the solution. See here, this is the solution. Now d comma result comma l is equal to, just I am assigning a empty hash map and 0 and 0. Now m is equal to 0 for r in range of len of s. If that s of r is not in my dictionary, then I want to initialize 0, and defaultly I will add 1 to the each and every characters. That's it. Now for I in d dot keys, I want to take the maximum among that values. Among that value, I want to take the maximum. While r minus l plus 1 minus m is greater than k, which means what? Which means if that whole window size minus m is greater than the k, then I can say total replacement character is greater than k. So I cannot replace. That time I want to string it. That's it. Then result. After this, defaultly I will take the result as what? Maximum among the result and the window size. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.